Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Gemini Mini die cutting machine. First, let's get started with the initial setup. Carefully unbox your compact Gemini Mini and all its included accessories. Next, connect the power adapter securely to the machine and then plug it into a standard wall outlet. Make sure your crafting area is clear and well lit, providing ample space for your creative projects. This small but mighty machine is ready for action. Now, let's prepare your materials for a perfect cut. Choose your preferred die and the material you wish to cut, perhaps some colorful cardstock, thin felt, or even craft foam. Lay your chosen material flat onto one of the clear cutting plates. Then, carefully place your die, with the cutting edge facing down, directly on top of your material. This precise layering is key for crisp results. It's time for the magic to happen. Assemble your cutting sandwich by placing the second clear cutting plate on top of your material and die. Gently feed this entire sandwich into the opening of your Gemini Mini machine. The machine will automatically grip and pull the plates through, applying consistent pressure to create a clean, precise cut. It's incredibly simple and efficient, making crafting a breeze. Once the sandwich emerges from the other side, carefully remove the die and your newly cut material from the plates. Gently peel away your intricate design from the surrounding excess material. If you encounter any issues, try adjusting your sandwich or using a shim for thinner materials. Remember to clean your Gemini Mini regularly with a soft cloth to ensure it continues to perform beautifully for many crafting sessions to come.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.